The Dog and the Bone. One day, a dog found a big, tasty bone. He was so excited that he grabbed it and ran to find a quiet spot to chew it in peace. While crossing a river, he looked down and saw his reflection in the water. But the silly dog thought it was another dog with another bone. Greedy for more, the dog barked to snatch that other bone. But as soon as he opened his mouth, his own bone dropped into the water and sank. The poor dog lost it all and had to go home with nothing. Moral of the story: if you're too greedy and always want more, you might lose what you already have.